The rhinoceros. Rhinos live in the warmer parts of Africa and Asia. Rhinos can have one horn or two horns, one behind the other. They eat only plants, grass, leaves, and twigs. Except for elephants, rhinos are about the biggest animals that live on land. Rhinos have good senses of smell and hearing, but they don't see too well, and they're not very intelligent either. Rhinoceros horns are made out of hair that grows out of their skin. When the hair grows, it's packed very tightly. That's what makes the horns so hard and dangerous, too. The rhinoceros has a thick skin, but almost no hair. Rhinos protect their skin from the sun and from insects by rolling in the mud. Some rhinos weigh as much as 4 tons. Hippopotamuses are just about as big. They live in Africa. Hippos spend most of their time in water. On land, they're slow and clumsy. In water, they're not. Hippos can run along the bottom of a river or lake. Hippos usually stay underwater for about 6 minutes, but they can stay under for 30 minutes if they have to. A hippo can hear and breathe and see with most of its head under the water. The only mammal whose mouth is bigger than a hippo's is a whale. What may look like a yawn is the hippo's way of showing its long, sharp teeth. That's a warning to other hippos not to get too close. The baby hippo stays close to its mother. It can swim before it can walk. A baby hippo sometimes climbs on its mother's back while she's swimming. When they're frightened, hippos head for deeper water. The hippos usually just rest in the warm African sun in the daytime. At night, they may leave the water and feed on the reeds and grasses that grow around where they live. So this is how hippos live in their cool African lakes and streams. and how rhinos live on their warm African or Asian lands. Rhinos and hippos.